Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the content generation ability of the new DeepSeek model using DeepThink R1. Now, this is very interesting to me because obviously this is a very cheap model. So if it's able to produce high level quality content for us, then it's a no-brainer to swap over to DeepSeek. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to be using my random prompt. You can find this in the description of this video. If you want to hire us to do your SEO for us, feel free to click the first link here, or if you've got an agency, or if you just want to try our AI SEO tool, then click one of the second two links. Anyway, let's get into the prompt. All you have to do, guys, to make this prompt work is you need to put your keyword here. So in this case, I'm doing how to style a Neapolitan suit for business. And then for internal links, it's actually very simple. So all you want to do is where it says internal links in an XML tag like this, you just want to copy everything between that XML tag and the final XML tag. So we're just going to scroll all the way down here, keep scrolling. There we go. You can see that it just ended here. So we're looking for where it says the closing internal links tag, shift click, then Control C to copy. Well, actually, sorry, not to copy. You can just leave it highlighted. And going to go to my sitemap here, and I'm going to go to the pages that I want to internally link to, which are my collections, because that's what I'm trying to grow on Google. So I'm going to Control Shift V and just copy all of my collections. Just Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, and Control Shift V to paste. So that pasted that there. Same with the image embeds. Basically, just copy the first line, Shift click on the last line, go to a page that has whatever you're writing about on. So in this case, we're writing about suits, so we'll go to my suits page, drag it down like this, Control C once it's highlighted, and then go to paste to markdown, Control Shift V to paste, Control AC to copy, and then Control Shift V to paste again. There we go. Control A, Control C to copy everything. Now we have our prompt, and I'm very curious to see how this does with DeepThink. Now, I think another thing that we could do as well is we could enable search. And if we enabled search, what basically would happen is we could potentially skip the internal links gathering part of this exercise and just get deep search to find those links for us. And we could probably very easily add some kind of tooling system to then scrape those pages as well. But yeah, just for what we have available here with us, this is looking like it's the best option. So we'll just let this load. This does take a little bit of time. So speed is an issue for you, then maybe ChatGPT or Anthropic are going to be better for you. But if you can wait 2 to 5 minutes, I think this is definitely going to be a great option. Okay, so this is the final result that we've got. Let's just have a little look through this. So you can see it's followed the prompt pretty damn well. It's got good internal links. It's got good images. It's used the image as well. It's got tables. Yeah, I mean, this is a definite positive here. If you're wondering why the images are a bit off, it's just because I guess I copied some of the wrong images and put them on the list. So let's just do a couple of tests on the output here. So we'll go to markdown to HTML and we'll put it here. And then we'll grab the article and we'll go to docs.new. So the first thing we're looking at is how long the article is. It looks like it's about 1,000 words. Nope, it's 571 words. So it's not that long for sure. It would be good if this was a little bit longer. ChatGPT o3 Mini in particular is very good for producing very long form content. I don't mind shorter form content. It's just a lot of people want longer form content. And then we'll just run this through GPT-0. There's no way this will pass originality. But let's just see if it passes GPT-0, which I also don't think it will, to be honest with you. It does not, so it's 97% AI generated. So overall, it's a pretty good content generator for the price, I would say. Follows the prompt well, does good internal linking, does good images. And yeah, most importantly, it follows the prompt, right? Which is kind of the hardest thing to get an LLM to do. So for a free LLM that you can run on your computer or just use with on the front end of chat.deepseek.com, it's really good. Now, a couple of drawbacks are the length and also the fact that it does this quite a lot, which is just say the server is busy, please try again later. They obviously are still struggling with the amount of CPUs they need or whatever. But overall, I would say pretty good result. Happy with the result. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend. Find everything in the description as usual, and peace out.